Hi Drastic Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to be drawing a baby in a unicorn onesie. But before we get started, I wanted to show you what inspired me to draw this little baby. So here they are. These are Blume baby pops. And hopefully in this little package today, I will be lucky enough to find a unicorn one, but we shall see. So before I get started, I just wanted to really quickly show you what these Blume baby pops are all about. And since I have this beautiful package here, ta-da! And before I get started, I love gardening, so that's what really attracted me to these Blume dolls, gardening, right? And dolls and cuteness. So supposedly I am, let's see here, it says there's a surprise under every sprout. So there's 3 babies guaranteed if I pop these out, or more, so we shall see. But I guess everything else is maybe just accessories. But let's see what we get here. Let's start with the center one. So, well, you know what? You can't see it, so I'm just gonna go like this. I think I just pulled them out, right? Like pulling out a carrot. Whoa! Wow, that was pretty loud. Was not expecting that. Oh, and I guess you turn them. Let's see what we get. Ta-da! Oh, it's a little gemmy one. Okay, let's see what else we get. Ready? Oh, wow, they do make a pop sound. That's pretty cool. That's really cool. Oh, and I got another one. Another gemmy one. I'm calling them gemmy ones. Oh, this is really cool. It's so funny. Oh, no doll, but let's see. I got some accessories right here. Some strawberry flower mirror and some lotion, I think. Okay, let's see what we have. Unicorn, unicorn! Ah. Let's see. Looks promising. It's another. Aww. Not sure what this one is called, but it's a little flower, I guess. Let's see. Last one. Oh, here we go. It's another doll. I got 4. And it's a lemon cake one. No unicorn, but I did get 4. That's awesome, right? Because I was only supposed to get 3. That's a pretty good package. All right, so I think that's it to this thing, right? You just pop. Oh, hey, wow! You open the bottom, and there's all this stuff, stickers and more stuff. My goodness, more accessories and wow. Beautiful, right? This is pretty cool. So, okay, so before I get carried away, let's get started on drawing this cute little baby in a unicorn onesie. To draw this cute baby, let's first start by drawing her eyes. So I'm going to come right here and draw a big circle. And another one right over here. So right in this area. And I'm going to make them draw so cute eyes. So right here, we're going to add 2 small circles for highlights and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom. And same thing over here. Okay, so we have the eyes in, so I'm going to come to the side right here and give some lashes. I'm going to come out with a curve and come right back in and thicken it up and shade it in. And same thing over here. Just curve out, bring it in, and shade it in. Then from there, I'm going to go above each eye and just draw a small curve. And then right in between the eyes, we're going to draw the pacifier. So say about right here, I'm just going to start with a curve. So we're drawing the pacifier now. And I'm going to bring another curve on both sides and connect it with a curve. And then in the center, I'm going to draw a circle. And right here in the center, I'm going to imagine that I'm drawing a heart. So I'm just going to bring in the curve on both sides. From there, let's start to draw the face. So I'm going to come to where the eyes are, come out just a little bit, say about right here. And same thing over here, so about that much. And I'm going to basically draw a bottom of a U right around the eyes and right underneath the mouth. So right there, and I'm going to start to curve around. So it's going to be right underneath the pacifier. And connect. There, get the face in. Okay, so then from there, we're going to come straight to the top, say about right here in this area. And I'm just going to give myself a point. And this is basically where I'm going to start my curve. So this is my center, so I'll come about right here, just to make it easier. And I'm going to use that as my guide and create a curve right across on both sides, right in the center. From there, I'm going to come right here and connect it to where I started to draw the face. So just connect it with a curve and down. Then from there, let's come in here and I'm just going to draw some indication of hair. So just a curve, doesn't really matter, whatever you like. Okay, so then right here in this area, I'm going to draw the horn. So come right here and I'm just going to draw a curve, kind of following the curve at the bottom. And come to the center and say about this much. I'm going to round off the tip and connect right back down. Now I have my horn in. So for some details, you can come in here if you like and just add a curve to give it some dimension and some detail. There. Okay, so then now we can go ahead and draw the onesie. So I'm going to come out, just use this as your guide. So in this area, I'm going to come straight out, say about this much. And I'm going to use this and follow my inside curve, and I'm going to start to curve around. And it's going to be really narrow right here, but much wider over here. So I'm just going to do the same thing. So using this as my guide, so about right here. And we're going to do the same thing. So bringing a curve, it's going to get narrower as we come down here. And connect. There. So then now we can come to the top. So I'll bring this up a little bit more. Pretty even on both sides. So I have some ears I need to draw right here. So I'm going to come into this area, say about right here, and I'm just going to pop up my ear. So round off the tip, come right back down. So I'm going to stop up right there because I'm imagining this curve going around. And for some details, you can come in here and draw a curve. Connect whatever space you have left, and we're going to finish this curve. Just continuing this curve around. So about right there. So same exact thing on the other side. So I'm just going to drag this point across. Let's see here. You know what? Let's drag this point, yes, and come about right here because it's coming through. And from there, I'm going to draw the ear. come out just like the other side, approximately right there. And ending about right here. There. Okay, so then for the inside of the ear, I'm going to do the same thing. Then continuing this, we're just going to go ahead and connect it. Then right in this space, because it is a onesie, so right here, I'm just going to draw a curve if you like. So this will still be the hair color, but this part is the onesie. At the top right here of the head, I'm going to add some frosting and sprinkles because this is inspired by a Blume baby pop, right? So right here, I'm going to draw a curve. And this side right here, this side's going to be a little bit higher. And let's go again. One more curve. And once again, this side's higher. And then right in the center, approximately right here, I'm just going to go ahead and draw a heart at a slant. And then you can add some details. So this reason it's higher over here is because we're going to wobble a curve and come down. And you can add some sprinkles. So I'm just going to put them in different directions. Here and there. Okay, so now we finally have that top part in, so we can draw the bottom, and the bottom is really simple. So right in the center, let's find our center about right here. I'm going to draw a circle for our bow. And we're going to draw the loops. It's a small little loop on both sides. Come in here with a center curve and then the tail on both sides. And then we're just going to draw a curve. Nice and easy. So say about right here and here, centering my curve. I'm going to bring down kind of like a U, but it's narrower at the top. And just go ahead and connect it at the bottom. And right here, we're going to draw another layer. So just follow your outside. And connect. So they're all done. I hope you love how this little baby turned out in the unicorn onesie. But before I go, I couldn't resist, since I had some different onesies for these little baby pops. I wanted to show you the ones that I thought were really cute too. So here is a duck one, and here is a dinosaur one. But I had to draw the unicorn one for you because I know you cuties would love that one. But this, look at this little dinosaur, it's so cute in the back of it. The duck doesn't have anything. But I wanted to put this one on just to see. So I'm going to use one of the ones I got. So I guess you just kind of, it's kind of like a soft silicone plastic that you just rip off right here. And let's see what it looks like with a, wait, how do you, okay. An hour later. Sorry, cuties, I have not done this, so. Okay, wait. Okay, I was trying to put it over. I did it the wrong way. Okay, you put the body in first, then you pull this thing over the head. There you go. There you go. Okay, so that's the dinosaur one. Oh, I love the back. It's so cute. And then let's see the duck one. I'm just going to use this one right here. Now I'm a pro at this. So you take it off, you put the body in first, right? Oh, and then you pull the head up over. Okay. There. Kind of. Oh, wait. The head is not in the right position. Okay, something like that. So cute, right? Baby Pops by Blume. So thanks so much for watching. I really hope to love seeing these beautiful Baby Pop dolls and watching me draw this beautiful baby unicorn. And I mean a baby in a unicorn onesie. So thanks so much for watching once again, cuties, and I'll see you guys later. And make sure to subscribe if you haven't already and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.